Well, this wasn't supposed to happen. The storm wasn't supposed to get here till this afternoon sometime. The wind picked up yesterday afternoon. Started raining hard by sundown. And tent blew over once. Snow collapsed it twice, maybe 3 times. And I think I'm going to skip breakfast and try and get packed up and get out of here. Hopefully the road's not too slick to get out. It's not too deep, but it's a bad road and it's slippery. My hands were freezing getting packed up, but I didn't want to stop and make a fire. I realized that I had a heat source if my bike would start. I wasn't sure it would. I was mighty pleased when it did.